Oh, there we go. Look, this is a product category that we probably have the most experience in. Car soaps. Just generic car wash.
I'm a big soap guy.
Yeah,
I have tried.
You got a spreadsheet.
I have tried so many soaps. So big soap guy.
Today's one is Armour Detail Supply. Now, look at the bottle there. This is secret. It's not the first time we've used this. We're quite enjoying this already. Yeah, don't tell anyone.
Do you know what?
Definitely don't tell Koch Chemie.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't tell GSF. Might get a
because I secretly bought a second bottle.
Of this?
Yep.
Yeah, it's that good. This is the Armour Detail Supply. It's the Shampoo Plus. They don't have a shampoo, so I don't know why they need to put the plus on the end of it.
Because it's just it's special.
It's superior. So this is their shampoo. It's like their pH neutral, so it's not their decon. This is just the everyday soap that you would use. We've got surfactants in here. We've got emulsifiers, lubricating agents. This is just a general all-around soap that you would use to do your maintenance washes. And as Glenn said, we've already bought another bottle. So
yeah, give us a little smell update.
Yeah. So the smell of this is cherry.
Ooh, yummy.
And look, I'm not big on the smell. Like, it's nice.
But everyone does a cherry scent. GSF does a cherry scent. ADS does a cherry scent.
And I mean, look at the colour of this product too. That is not cherry looking.
No, but what I like here, they've created a flagship ADS colour with their soap. Like, that's pretty cool.
It is.
I think that's nice. That's a nice touch.
It is a nice smelling soap.
That's why you want a clear bottle with your foamer.
Exactly, but it's not a unique smelling soap.
No.
So to give this a fair test, we set it up in the foam can in the way that we would do typically with any other soap. And I don't know how we landed on it, but we landed on 150 millilitres of soap. Top it up with 600 millilitres of water.
I just guess.
Yeah.
You
just guessed in there, have you?
I just guessed.
I'm telling the people that this is scientific.
No. You tell them it's scientific.
Oh, we got 900 ml of water in there now. It's not scientific. In true Omni Garage fashion, the rain is coming.
Oh, we like filming in the wet.
The good thing is we've already rinsed this car behind us, so...
And we use deionized water, so don't get too upset about the water spots, etc.
We've got no sunshine anymore, so I don't think that's a concern.
I mean, we've got no sunshine, we've got lots of rain. Well, you know what, we must close.
Yeah, exactly. If you know, you know.
Just spray it on, sonny boy.
Yeah, let's hit it. When it comes to a car shampoo like that, that's what I'm looking for. Everyone really thick foam.
It's great for Instagram. It's great for the YouTube shots.
Yeah.
Nice thick soap. You want it to basically be thick to cling to the surface so the emulsifiers can break down that dirt and grime, really get that lifted off the surface so that when we come along with our wash media, we can just remove it really nicely and safely.
What I like about a soap that really clings as well is when you're cleaning like the Range Rover, you don't want to have to come around and hit it the second time. That's a huge car to wash. Pretty confident with this soap, this will cling to the surface. Obviously the rain's going to start to work away at it, but you can spray this on a big car and not have to come back and hit it a second time. And for those who haven't foamed a car before, just note that I'm not doing it like, just nice and slow, take it easy. We are not burning through the product quick. Just paint it on. Yeah.
What I like is I can smell the soap. It really reminds me of, you know, the cleaning process. It's nice, pleasant. It's definitely filled up this large area with a nice cherry scent. Oh, it's fantastic.
It's very similar to Koch Chemie GSF in smell, which is our current go-to soap. And as you can see there, like, we do have a little bit of rain coming down, so that is that's going to eat away at our foam a little bit, but it is clinging very, very well to the surface there. We'll hit it a little bit more. And then same with our bucket setup. So we've got it already loaded up in the Yeti buckets here. Again, we just kind of guess, just a generous dab of that in the bucket. We've got good, you know, not great suds in there. We could definitely agitate it a bit more.
It's been sitting for a while though.
What it has, it sat for probably 10 minutes in there. So loaded it up in the bucket. We obviously got our rinse bucket here as well, and we can just get into a standard 2-bucket wash method here. So the foaming ability of this product, second to none. Like, it is on par with some of the best soaps that we've had in the foam canon. So it's literally 10 out of 10 there.
And so that's the first part, right? But the second part is, how well does this soap clean? How well does it emulsify and lift that dirt off the surface? And then, is it really slick to use with your wash media? Now, we typically use these large cleaning pads. These are microfiber from, what's it called, Incredipad?
Yeah, Incredipad by Microfiber Madness.
And I can tell you now that this soap is some of the slickest soap I have ever used. Now, we think that the slickest is GSF by Koch Chemie. I think this soap is right up there. This is right up there with the GSF, and I even think it might just be a slightly better. When we think about all the things together, I really do enjoy using this soap, and I think this is something that Omni Garage is going to use in the future, and I think this is time for a change. What do you think?
Yeah, I like this product. We can buy this in a gallon. I haven't quite worked out the pricing of it yet. It's not something that we factor in big time because GSF is a very, very expensive soap. So look, I don't think you can probably get any more expensive than that. Just to give you a comparison, GSF in New Zealand here, we pay about 240 New Zealand dollars a gallon. So
and it's about $53 or $63 for a litre.
Correct, for 1 litre. And I mean, you can work out the current conversion from US dollar to New Zealand dollar. I think it's about 63, 64 cents, somewhere around there at the moment. So you're not quite double, but you know, it is an expensive product for us to get our hands on. So ADS is not something we can buy in New Zealand, but we're happy to import decent detailing products as well. Like, we're not limited to what we can get in the country here. Sometimes you have to pay a bit more with your shipping in order to get good quality delivered here. But you were able to buy ADS directly through
Amazon?
Amazon? Yeah, okay, not from ADS, but you got it from Amazon.
Yeah.
When you bought your shampoo.
When I bought the second bottle, yeah.
Yeah. So we're in the middle of trying out the full ADS lineup. So if there's any other products in that range that you're wanting to know whether you should buy or not, go and check out the channel because we do have a bunch of videos already.
I can tell you now the 2 products you want to buy.
Yeah.
You want to buy this shampoo,
yeah,
and you want to buy Amplify.
Yeah.
And I think you're right there, top tier. I think it's one of the best combos that you can buy. That is my recommendation. Just go and do it.
I think the third product that we're really excited to try will be Ghost. Like,
yeah, we have to have our hands on that, but I think, as far as I can see, it's looking very promising.
Slickness with the soap? Yeah, up there?
Up there, yep. It's the GSF equivalent. I think if you had GSF and you had this product, you did a blind test, you could even...
Probably couldn't tell the difference.
You probably couldn't tell the difference in smell, but I think if you put it there, you probably couldn't tell. I think they are that close. And when you're getting into the top tier detailing products and you've really nailed the best ones, it is really hard to say, hey, I think this is better. So when you hear YouTubers go, I think this is better than this, well, yep. But I really, really do think this is something that we're going to use.
Now, we sprayed the car about 6-7 minutes ago. So if we come around this side here, which you haven't touched yet, we have had quite a good downpour out here. I've actually got the umbrella to keep the camera gear dry. We've still got quite a bit on the surface there that we can work with. So, I mean, it's a pretty quick video today on the soap because there's really not a huge amount to say other than this soap is great.
It's just fantastic.
Great smell, great in the foam cannon, great in the bucket, great lubrication. Like, you got that slickness on the surface.
Oh, there it is.
Doesn't leave anything behind. It's pH neutral.
This is a great everyday soap.
And the emulsifiers in there as well to break down the dirt. Like, it is a really good soap. And what I like as well, it doesn't reactivate. There are some soaps, and Maguire's Hyperwash is probably the absolute worst we've ever come across when it comes to reactivation, particularly in areas up here. So as you can see, Glenn's rinsing that away, not multiplying the product.
That's what happens. If I was to spray in there with Hyperwash, just bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles. Yep. And it bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles and bubbles, and you can never remove it. So yeah, that's important to be able to remove the soap.
Not with this product.
So there you have it. We have a nice clean car, but it's now wet because it's raining, and I'm really doing the mahi for you fellas standing out here in the rain getting wet to make this video. I can tell you now that this shampoo is one of the best shampoos around. It foams really well in the foam cannon, smells fantastic, it's super slick to use, does a really good job of cleaning the panel, and it leaves nothing behind. So this for Omni Garage is going to be replacing GSF. This is going to be a staple in our cabinet, in our cabinet.
I didn't even know it was replacing it. But
I've just told you
CEO decision.
Oh yeah, this will be replacing.
I think it's a good
in
choice.
our cabinet.
Yeah.
I think if you then pair that with Amplify, which is their drying aid, which is their sort of SiO2 based sort of what is it called?
Drying aid,
sealant. Spray sealant.
Yeah.
I think you've got the best combination out there, and we're really happy to be using these all the time in our detailing business, and I think you should get a hold of them too, because I can tell you now, you won't be disappointed. These are fantastic.
This is the beauty of getting a hold of a full product line as well, because you can test in amongst your normal process all of these different products. You don't have to put them all to the test together, and you can kind of slowly work out which are superior to what you're currently using, and I think that's what we found with these two products here.
Well, that's what we do, right? Is that we put this up against GSF and we go, do we like it or do we not? We put this up against BMake and we go, do we like it, do we not? And so we have a really good baseline to be able to compare to. I suppose some people at home won't necessarily have that baseline. They're looking for reviews and they're looking for opinions. But we have that luxury of being able to either add in or add out and try against and compare products, and I really am enjoying these products. You liking them, or am I just making you unhappy?
I'm liking them, and the fact that we like these get me excited for some of the other products that we haven't tried yet from ADS. So Ghost is definitely one, is a tyre sealant, and the coatings as well. Like, really excited to, in particular, try the wheel and the glass coating and see if those could kick the two that we've currently got in the cabinet out as well. So I think when you try out a full line, you're definitely not going to find, you know, half of the products make the cut, but you are going to find a couple of gems, and I think, you know, 2 gems so far, plenty.
Yeah, you're actually right in saying that, because yeah, we've been underwhelmed by some other companies that we've tried, but they do have that 1 or 2 that's just like, oh yeah, okay, add that in. And I think that's what's really nice about being able to create your own line, right? Well, not necessarily creating your line, but creating your own sort of group of products that you really enjoy using, because you can have the best of this and you can have the best of that, and then you can go to another brand and get the best of theirs, and I think you end up with a real nice, superior product line to be using for us, and also that's what we also provide our customers here at Omni Garage. So okay, so that's it from Omni Garage. Drop us a comment if you've used these products, drop us a comment if you like using them, drop us a comment if there's something else you want us to try. Give us some likes and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep making great content for you guys to watch. But that's it from Omni Garage. Any finishing thoughts here, Sue?
I don't know. You've asked a lot from the audience here, so I don't know.
I'm just asking them to help us out.
Send us $100 too while we're at it.
Yeah, go on.
Or you can keep the products rolling. No, I think that's it. Great soap, and do you know what? We're all out of GSF, so reorder.
Reorder
up soon.
We're reordering some of this stuff. Thanks for watching.